Hello! Some people may be wondering how to find my affiliate links to Builderall when I want to promote a specific plan of Builderall, for instance. So I will show you now it's been greatly improved with sections. You go to affiliate, okay, and then you go to FunnelClub and Builderall Funnel Premium. You arrive here. You have an interface which allows you to select the language here. The language, many languages, and also the currency. Because it's very important. For instance, if you want to promote to French people, you cannot send them to a page in English or even in French, but in dollars. They like their euro money. So you need to select French and euro. That's very important for the French market. Otherwise, they will ask themselves so many questions, and maybe they will have some fees if they pay in dollars instead of euros. So just select this, and you have all your affiliate links ordered. I will review them very quickly, but first, the easiest way is to send them to Builderall, the homepage in French, and with all the plans in euros. So this is your affiliate link here. You can copy and promote it. But maybe you want to talk to French people so that they may become affiliates. Okay, so they join Builderall because they will have tools, but in their mind they will be affiliates. They want to make money by reselling Builderall to others. So you can show them this video, or you can tell them, maybe it will be better in French anyway to talk to them, so video in French, but you can send them to this link with affiliation. It will send to a page in French about the affiliate program of Builderall, and with every details explained, and they can join immediately also. And then you have the Funnel Club, because the Funnel Club is like the highest plan of Builderall, where you have many funnels that you can use to do some services. You can sell websites, and also you have the top of the Builderall plans is the Funnel Club. And then the second one is the premium plan. In fact, the premium plan is just the Funnel Club without all the funnels. But the Funnel Club really, it's the same as the premium. It's only you pay more just one time when you join. You pay one time to get all the funnels, and the new ones will come out. You are a Funnel Club. But the cost of the plan is the same as the premium. It's just the first time you buy the access to this really top plan. So you can send them, if they are affiliate, you can send them also to the Funnel Club, because it will make sense for them just to show off Builderall by generating a funnel very quickly, and so they can they can show what Builderall can do, and then they will give their affiliate link to Builderall. So can tell them that. And then you have another funnel which is about the loading speed of Builderall, because it's very fast, and when you use an independent tool such as Google, you can see that it's faster than the competition, like Groove funnels or Click funnels or anything funnel. All those things, they fall very short compared to Builderall. This is a high selling point, because you have to explain why the speed is important. Why it's better to take 1 second instead of 3. It's the same, but why? There are many things, and this page explains why it's important. The first impression counts for the human visitors, but also for the search engines. Like Google gives point to a site if it's fast, if it loads fast, and the slow loading ones, they lose places in the search engine results because of speed only, even if they have a better text, better SEO. But if the loading speed is slow, it will lose so much points. So this is a page to talk about the speed of Builderall, and people can join Builderall from there with your affiliate link. So it's a good funnel to use. And then you have the funnels which are more direct. This means you have convinced people already by yourself, and now they are ready to buy in, but maybe first you can offer them a free trial for 2 weeks. People like free stuff, so a free trial. This one is without credit card, so they just join, and this one is with credit card. The advantage of having the credit card is that after 2 weeks, nothing, there's no problem. The card, they pay with the card, it's already in the system. So they will not miss anything. They will not forget to pay or lose their work. So the second one is good. The first one, what is good about it is that, maybe sometimes people just want to try and they don't want to put in their information because they are not quite sure what they're getting into and they don't want to give their info to anyone. So, but now with this, they can try it for 2 weeks, and when the time comes, then they go back and they pay if they want to keep their Builderall account. So it depends on the person you are talking to. You will choose which link to send with or without a credit card for the 2 weeks free trial. And then you have the plan, direct plan. You have people ready to buy. They don't care about the free stuff. They have seen your videos, so they just want to come in. And now you can send them directly to the checkout. So they open their account, they pay, and they are a Builderall customer. No problem. And for this, in fact, in Builderall, you have 4 plans, and with or without the WordPress server. So it's 8 plans. But to make things simple, in fact, you can just send them to the premium plan or the FunnelClub plan. So you have 2. If you want to send them to a lesser plan, maybe you can just give them the free trial, and from there they can upgrade to what they want, within the interface of Builderall. This is for another kind of people who don't want the full Builderall. But for people very serious, you can tell them, okay, go to FunnelClub. If you just want to use the tool and you don't care about the funnels, then take the premium plan. You will save a few bucks in the first month, but after it's the same. It's just the premium plan with or without the FunnelClub. And then you have your direct link. So they go there, they open their Builderall account, they pay their customer. It's very quick. So that's it for this overview. It's very clean, very well done. Now I have no bad things to say about it. It was recently improved, and now it's in a perfect working condition, very professional. So if you are interested in joining Builderall, just look in the link in this video description and come with me, and then talk to me after you have your Builderall account. Okay? See you there. Bye bye.